Yeah, I'm just doing some pack opening today. Can't really be bothered, to be honest. I don't got that good duplicates, but oh well. Right, let's do some pack opening. I'll just wait. Let's open a bronze pack and get 99 messy out of it. Shh. Sorry, that was just my sister being so annoying, like she normally is. Oh, I don't think I can do it anymore. Oops, I'm a person. Please. Let's change that into seed off. Yeah, 197. I'll try and get De Bruyne in as well, but don't really work. Yeah, I just have to put seed off in. 197. Oh. Okay, that's a bit awkward. Put these two here, and icon. I'm just trying to get the highest icons in. Yashin. Oh, that's a bit 103. Let's do a draft. Random. I always do Premier League as well, so. Ooh. They used to be in Premier League, but not anymore. Oh, I'll come back to that later. Free special pack open.
How did she do that?
I dominate my daughters in the new Words with Friends, too.
Twerk? What'd she know about twerking?
Words with Friends 2 is a fun way to reconnect and outsmart family.
Outsmart? Rematch.
That's why I play the solo challenge.
At the end of the day, Words with Friends 2 brings us together to compete.
Ew? Really?
Solo challenge.
Play as a team or play on your own. Download the new Words with Friends 2 from the App Store or Google Play.
Yes. Oh, it's an inform. It's not even. Yeah, it's not even that good. Like I was just about to say. Yeah, and that glitch that the last video told you. Me and my mate, we both got the same amount of coins. Not the exact same, but just the same. Yeah. Okay, bye. Please subscribe, and then we'll give you that giveaway that that Reese's last video said to give you. Okay then, guys, bye.